Today we are going to cook cherry steak. You can choose any type of meat you like. I'm going to make it with pork this time. We are also going to need meat stock, olive oil, sugar, salt, Worcester sauce, black pepper, red wine. I'm going to use Oporto wine for this recipe. Onion, butter and cherries. Now we can begin to cook our cherry steak. In a very hot pan we are going to cook the meat. Make sure it is well done for both sides. Meanwhile, in another pan, add olive oil and butter. You can cook only with olive oil if it is a good one. Always try to cook by eye, but remember that you have all the measure detail in the video description. Add the onion and cook until it is done. Add a pinch of salt and some Worcester sauce. Grind some black pepper and incorporate the cherries. If you don't find fresh cherry, don't worry, use frozen one. Let it cook for 2 minutes and then add the sugar. When it has heated up, pour the wine. See how the wine makes the sauce darker and thicker. Put in the meat stock and wait until it has reduced about half of the liquid. Blend some of the cherries to smoothen the sauce. Finally, we have the perfect texture. Now, we can serve it and enjoy this cherry steak.